I'm a badness, give me the badness. Bring sweetie badness, look how she hot. She a black goddess, but I'ma just that. It's a good piece of mental, that's the gap. At least a girl, I'ma love all your chat. Watching every step, every part of your gap. In my brain memory, know the tap. In my aim is to give it a that's how you're naughty, the way you move. Let me acknowledge the way you
What's going on at this world? Welcome back to another video. So guys, our today videos about the Mootion AI, where you can also generate the AI content on this platform easily. So guys, how you can create before starting our video, make sure that you have like, share and subscribe my channel, and after subscribe my channel, please hit the bell icon. When you will hear the bell icon, you will get an access for all my videos notification. And request to all guys, please watch the video till end for the better experience. So first of all guys, here is our platform is in front of you. Name is Mootion AI. Baby dreams start with the 8 tails and we're winning the airs for you. And you can also make $1,000 in 30 days. Here's how you can generate. You can also enter your prompts here and generate the videos which are related to the AI. So as you can also check out, these are the videos which have been generated with the AI, and you can also check out these are the video. And they are look so much insane and amazing. This thing shows that how Mootion AI capable of. And they're also loved by the more than 5 million plus creators, 50 plus countries are covered, and in the 100 million videos are created on the start from basically and 10 plus language supported. And you can check out these are the 10 plus languages supported, and people are also giving their feedback to the Mootion AI. So as basically it's a powerful or easy creation. One prompt, a complete video from structure to pacing, wheel to sound, AI plans, the story end to end, and so your video become a finished video in one decisive step. Creating anything from this number 2 prompt scripts, audio, video, files or links, bring audios in any form. Mootion turns them into a finished video, guys. And number 3 is small template for the real use cases. 100 of the templates shaped by the real workflow, marketing, social education, and more. Start fast, finish strong too. And number 4, this performance. Performances you can hear and feel. Voice, music, and effects work in rhythm to create emotion and impact. Your videos don't just look good, they connect. And number 5 is designed to reach everywhere for fashion quality across the desktop, tablet, and mobile, so your videos hit wherever they are watched. Their stories also how to create the past YouTube videos with the AI. AI in education transferring classroom learning with the tools like transfer your audio widely into a viral video, a content creator's guide basically. And you can also check out these are different candidates. Question you can also check out if you can ask question how you can create the videos, everything. And in the scene you can also check out just social content creation, education, tutoring, presenting and accurate stories, marketing and commercial, AI tools, image background editor, image to video, and AI image editor, API, community, their document, their pricing. You can also check out their pricing page, where you can also check out all of the prices about their plans. You can check it out, and you can also check out these are the prices of their plans yearly, monthly, basically also available there. You can go and check them out. It depends upon the creators, how much you can get the creators from the Mootion AI. Squares, that was our video about the Mootion AI. I hope you liked and enjoy my video. So you can go and sign up on the Mootion AI for the better experience and create one of the best AI videos on the Mootion AI. So guys, before ending the video, make sure that you actually have been subscribed my channels. And after subscribe my channel, please hit the bell icon, then you will get an access of all my videos notification. Let's be with you in the next video. Have a great day. Please keep safe and stay happy. Goodbye.